Good morning, students. Today we will see the numerical based on contrast stretching. So basically, what do you mean by contrast stretching? So here we can see this is a low contrast image. And if you see the histogram of this image, it is centered. So it is not spread. So we want to convert this low contrast image into a high contrast image so that the quality of the image will be enhanced. And after stretching the contrast of the image, the new histogram is going to be more spread. So let us solve the numerical. So now this is the given image A. It is a 4x4 image and we have to perform contrast stretching on this given image. Now in theory, we have already seen the curve for the contrast stretching. So this is R versus S. R are the pixel values before contrast stretching and S are the pixel values after performing contrast stretching. So this is the formula which we have already seen in the theory for contrast stretching. So S is equal to R minus R2 into bracket R4 minus R1 divided by R3 minus R2 plus R1. Now what are these R1, R2? We will see. R is the pixel for which we want to calculate the contrast stretching. So here the pixel values are 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will have to calculate R 4 times. That is for individual pixels. Then R1 is the very first point. So R1 is so first we will have to see the number of bits required to represent this particular image. So the maximum value here is 9, right? So we will need 4 bits to represent pixel number 9. So 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. That means the pixel values here for this particular image will range from 0 to 15. So our R1, that is the very first point here, is going to be 0. And our R4, that is the last ending point, is going to be 15. So the pixel values are going to range from 0 to 15. That is R1 and the R4 values over here. Then what is R2 and R3? R2 is the first value with which your image starts. So in our case, it is 6 here. So R2 is 6. And the last value with which your image ends is your R3. So in our case, it is 9. So R3 is 9. So I will just substitute the values of these R's and calculate it for all the 4 individual pixels. So first pixel is S6. So for pixel number 6, so the new value S for the pixel number 6 is equal to, I'm just putting all these values here in this formula. So as 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, so the first value comes to be 0. Whereas the second pixel, that is I'm calculating it for the pixel number 7. So for the pixel number 7, the S, that is the new value for the pixel number 7, is equal to, now our R is nothing but 7 minus R2 is 6. Then the next is R4. R4 is 15 minus R1 is again 0 divided by the R3 is 9 and R2 is 6, then plus 0, that is R1. So this will come to 15 divided by 3, which is 5. So 5 into 1 will be equal to 5. In this way, we will calculate it for the pixel number 8 and 9 as well. So now we will have to write our new image. So our new contrast stretched image is equal to, so how to write it? So now our pixel number 6 has become 0. Pixel number 7 has become 5. Pixel number 8 has become 10. And the new value for the pixel 9 is 15. So just replace them accordingly. So now 7, 7, 8, 8. So 7 is 5 and 8 is 10. So 5, 5, 10, 10, and so on. So this 9, 9 becomes here 15, 15. So this is the new contrast stretched image. So as you can see, the previous pixel values were centered here at a particular position, whereas now the new values are spread right from 0 to 15. So this is going to be a contrast stretched image. Thank you.